Dear Class 7 students, in today's video, we are going to discuss question answers of some of the lessons from the book Main Course Book Communicate in English. The one of the lessons around the world in 80 days. This lesson is from Unit 2nd, Section 2. Unit 2nd, Section 2. The first question, was Mr. Fogg really like a machine? Which events in the play make you think otherwise? Was Mr. Fogg really working like or acting like a machine? Which event from your lesson make you think Mr. Fogg is like a machine? Yes, Mr. Fogg was like a machine because the play tells us that Mr. Fogg wanted everything on time. He repeated the same thing at the same time every day. So he was just like a machine because his every action was on time and the right time. Only a machine can follow that time. A human being may commit mistakes, sometimes earlier, sometimes late, but in the case of Mr. Fogg, he was doing his work in on time, right time, and that's why he was mentioned as a machine. He repeated the same thing, just like a machine. And what was the routine or daily schedule of daily schedule or timing of Mr. Fogg? He get up 8 o'clock every morning. He get up 8 o'clock. He wanted his tea and toast 23 minutes past 8. Yes, 8:23 a.m. He wanted his toast and his tea. He wanted his shaving water 37 minutes past, that is 9:37 a.m. at 84 degree Fahrenheit. That is, he was very strict to follow that heat of the water, 84 degree Fahrenheit. He had his bath and dressed at 20 to 10, that is 9:40 a.m. 20 to 10 means 9:40 a.m. he had his bath. And he leaves the house for 11:30 for Reform Club, that is 11:30 a.m. every day. Without any mistake, he get ready for going to Reform Club, and he rose and went towards the 12:47 p.m. large hall where he read newspaper till dinner, and he finishes his dinner at 5:40 p.m. This is the schedule or the timing of Mr. Fogg every day. Another question, Mr. Fogg, some sentence about Mr. Fogg or characteristics of Mr. Fogg, we can say. He was what type of man he was, that is describing in this answer. Mr. Fogg was an English gentleman. He lived in Savile Row in London. He was not married and seemed to have no relatives. Though he did not hold a regular job, he seemed to be quite rich. He was a man with an orderly mind and regular habits, who lived by his clock. He was strict, as he had dismissed his previous servant because he bought in water. He bought in water for shaving that was 2 degrees colder than 84 degrees Fahrenheit. He was daring as he accepted the challenges to go around the world in 80 days. Yes, this is about Mr. Fogg. He was an English gentleman, lived in Savile Row in London. That is the name of the street. He was unmarried. He was a yes, he was unmarried. He was a bachelor and seemed to have no relatives. Yes, not mentioned about his relatives in the story, in the drama. Though he did not hold a regular job, he has no regular job, and though he was not doing any regular job, he was found very rich, very rich. He was a man with an orderly mind and regular habits, who lived by his clock. He was strict as he had dismissed his previous servant. Yes, already it is told that he was very strict in words and deeds, and he dismissed one of his servants because of a slight reason, not a big reason, not a clear reason. What was the reason? He brought the shaving water for shaving at 80 degrees Fahrenheit only. That is the reason. He was daring as he accepted the challenge to go around the world in 80 days. In the club, he challenged the clubmen, other members of the club, that they put a bet that he will complete the round of the world in 80 days. Another character of this story is Passepartout. Passepartout. What kind of man he was? He was a man servant of Mr. Fogg. He was punctual and disciplined and followed the instructions given by Mr. Fogg. Yes. Just like Mr. Fogg, his servant was also very punctual and disciplined one, and always follow the instructions of Mr. Fogg. He was witty and prompt. Yes, he used to tell witty dialogues, and he was very prompt. And his presence of mind made them win the bet in the end, because of the timely actions of Passepartout also made them to win the bet of but around the world in 80 days. Another character of the story is Mr. Fix. Mr. Fix. He was a detective who came from Scotland Yard. He was a detective who came from Scotland Yard. He was very clever man. Mr. Fix was very clever man, and he was honest and dedicated to his work. Clever and honest and dedicated to his work. He followed Mr. Fogg for 80 days and then arrested him in Liverpool. Yes, wherever Mr. Fogg was going, he followed him, and he was found successful for capturing, arresting Mr. Fogg at where? In Liverpool. Yes. And these are the questions from the lesson around the world in 80 days. And the another Yes, around the world in 80 days. With this, I am winding up this video, and you can expect some question answers in another video, that is One Earth to One World. One Earth to One World.